Hello and welcome back to Jules Math Tools. In our session today, we are converting a mixed fraction into a decimal number by using the improper fraction method. And if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our session today, we will be converting our mixed fraction 3 2/5 into a decimal number by first changing it into an improper fraction. Now, just in case you may not remember how to go about doing this method, I will do that at the side so that you will see how we change our mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And remember that when we are converting our mixed fraction into a proper fraction, that means that my denominator, which is 5, is multiplied to my whole number, and then their product is added to my numerator. And this will remain over the same denominator of 5. So we will be multiplying 3 times 5, which will give us 15. And when 15 is added to 2, this will give us a new numerator of 17, and our fraction will be 17/5. So now that we have converted our mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we're now going to change this into a decimal number by simply dividing our denominator into our numerator. And as always, in going through my division, I will be going through the first step of dividing 5 into 1, which will be 0. 0 times 5 is equal to 0, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. We will then bring down our 7, changing our 1 into 17. 5 will divide into 17 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 17 minus 15 gives us a difference of 2. At this point, this is where we're going to input our decimal point behind our dividend and behind our quotient. And remember that we only add in the decimal point after we've divided into all the numbers that were in our numerator. So 17 were the only numbers in our numerator. So after that 7, that's when I put in my decimal point. I'm going to now add a 0, bring down that 0, change my 2 into 20, and divide 5 into 20, which will equal to 4. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 minus 20 will give us 0. So my fraction of 3 2/5, when converted into a decimal number, will be 3 4/10. Okay, so there you have it. We're just converting our mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then into a decimal number. And remember that with these steps, these are super easy. You just need to remember how to convert your mixed fractions into an improper fraction, which again comes with practice. And remember that once you develop your division skills, changing it into a decimal number will be just as easy. So until next time, this is Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy.